Hi everyone, this is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm just coming to you today with a quick video about a new discovery that I have. This is a great value brand for Colby and Monterey Jack cheese that I found at Walmart. They have various sizes of packages. They also have slices. They have different kinds of cheeses. But what's exciting about this to me is that it's at Walmart, it's inexpensive, it's gluten-free, and so it's readily available. And as you know, those of you who follow a gluten-free diet, products tend to be a little bit pricey. So I was really excited to find this. And this is what I use a lot. So I really enjoy this, and I just wanted to share this with you. So again, it's the Great Value brand, the Walmart brand, and that's it. So thank you for stopping by and joining me today. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much.